This is linear algebra. This video we gonna work on finding inverse of any metric. So previous video we discussed about finding inverse metric of 2 by 2 metric, but the size gonna be n by n metric. How gonna find inverse metric? That's I gonna introduce algorithm for finding a inverse, guys. First couple of theorem, but I want to remember algorithm for finding A inverse. Here's the theorem say, guys, look at this theorem is A is invertible, which meaning is n by n metric. Then you're gonna see A gonna be u to the order reduced law operation, that's the AN. You can change AN. Also, AN, identity metric changed A inverse. That's the theorem say. A is invertible, then metric A changes the identity metric by law operation. Identity metric change the A inverse. How are we gonna do it? Here is gonna be reduce augment metric. You're gonna write down the metric this form, guys. Look at this. A metric, identity metric. So we're gonna do all the raw operation. This one gonna be changed. A metric change the identity metric. Identity metric change the A inverse. That's how to find the inverse metric of A, guys. Let's do this algorithm for the 3 by 3 metric. So A is gonna be 3 by 3 metric. This one is a 3 by 3, guys. So A is invertible, meaning is A gonna be changed I3. I3 gonna be changed, reduced A inverse. That's the theorem say, right? So we're gonna do this way, guys. First, augmented metric. You write down the augmented metric right here. So we're gonna write down the AI form first. So this one gonna be reduce the raw operation. So this one gonna be A inverse I. No, the other way, guys. This one gonna be A gonna be I. Here is I gonna be A inverse. That's we're gonna do all the raw operation, guys. Okay, let's just start with augmented matrix. So left side 0, 1, 2, 1, 0, 3, 4, negative 3, 8. That's gonna be A metric, right? So identity metric is gonna be, guys, remember 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. That's gonna be identity metric. So we're gonna do reduce the raw operation, reduce the augmented metric by using the raw operation. So left gonna be, this whole thing gonna be changed. Left side gonna be 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Then we're gonna find it here. Right side, that's gonna be A inverse. This is identity metric. That's we have to do it, guys. Okay, let's just start it here, guys. First, I'm pretty sure everyone is really good at the raw operation right now, guys. Okay, so we're gonna do first. We have to do this one. Gonna be what? What happened? Here is a pivot gonna be 1, right? This pivot gonna be 1, but where's 1? This is 1. So you're gonna do first operation, guys. Let's do the first operation. Gonna be R1, R2, interchange, right? 1, 0, 3, 0, 1, 0, second law. 0, 1, 2, 1, 0, 0, 4, negative 3, 8, 0, 0, 1. Now, so below the pivot, you have changed this one is negative. This one should be 0, right? This one. So what do you need? So you need a negative 4 right there. So what do you have to this operation? Negative 4 R1, right? So this one gonna be negative 4 R1 plus R3 go to the R3. So everyone, I don't worry about it, anything, right? Gonna do negative 4, 0, negative 12, 0, negative 4, 0. So add together, third row gonna be 0, negative 3, negative 4, 0, negative 4, 1. So the other is 1, 0, 3, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Right? Okay, next one. So still we have to wrong way to go, guys. Look at this one. Here is a 1, 1. This should be 0. Okay? So this should be 0, meaning you need a 3. So second row, 2 are, no. You need 2 and 3. That's going to be here. 0, 6, 3, 0, 0. Everything make sense? So you have, what kind of operation you did? 3R2 plus R3 going to R3. So 1, 0, 3, 0, 1, 2, 0, negative 3, negative. Oh no. What am I doing, guys? I'm sorry. Here is a 0, 2. So this one is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Last row. 3, negative 4, 1. Okay? All right. So what else you have to do? This one is going to be 1, right? So you have times 1.5, right? So this one is 1.5. R3 going to be R3. So 1, 0, 3, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 3 over 2, negative 2, 1.5. Okay, what else you have to do, guys? You're gonna see, let's do 2 row operation once. Guys, look at this. What do you have to see, guys? Look at this. This should be 0. This should be 0, right? So I'm gonna say negative 2R3 plus R2 going to R2. Negative 3R1 plus R3 plus R1 go to R1. Guys, I'm pretty sure you can do it, guys. So, what are you going to change? And R3 doesn't change, right? 0, 0, 1, 3 over 2, negative 2, 1.5. So, first one gonna be 1, 0, 0. I'm gonna say this one, I think you can do it. Negative 9 over 2. That's gonna be 7. That's gonna be negative 3 over 2. Second one gonna be 0, 1, 0. This one is negative 2, 4, and negative 1, guys. So after this, look at the left one. Left one is, we call this one is identity metric, right? This one is A inverse. So A inverse gonna be negative 9 over 2, 7, negative 3 over 2, negative 2, 4, negative 1, 3 over 2, negative 2, 1.5. That's you find the inverse metric right now. Much complicated than 2 by 2 metric, right? So we can confirm your inverse metric is right or wrong. You can check this one. A inverse, A gonna be, what do you have to do? What's the output of multiplication? A metric. What is A metric, guys? A metric gonna be, A metric is 0, 1, 2, 1, 0, 3, 4, negative 3, 8. So this is A inverse. This is A. So what is gonna be output? You say up gonna be identity 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. You can check it out. So I'm gonna show just one. This one, let's go to first row, first column. What do you have right here? Negative 9 over 2, times 0, plus 7 times 1, minus 3 over 2 times 4. That's going to be 0. 7 minus 12 over 2, 7 minus 6, that's the one you find 1. Take it how to confirm inverse metric is correct. Let's do the practice to find inverse metric by algorithm, guys. Just pause the video, try to do this question on your own, guys. Welcome back, everyone. Let's try to this one, okay? So I am assuming you already did it. So first step is you're gonna do AI form to the A inverse form. Reduce the argument metric, guys, okay? Let's just start with this one. All right. A metric 1, 0, negative 2, negative 3, 1, 4, 2, negative 3, and 4. You have 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So our final destination gonna be 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Then we're gonna figure it out, the other half, right? So let's just start with this one, guys. Let's just start with this one. I'm pretty sure you already done, guys, right? So this one should be 0. This should be 0. So you already did a couple of things. 3R1 plus R2 go to the R2. Negative 2R1 plus R3 go to the R3. Everything makes sense? So you have now, what do you have? So you have 1, 0, negative 2, 1, 0, 0. Second are gonna be 0, 1, negative 2, 3, 1, 0, 0, negative 3, 8, negative 2, 0, 1. Okay, now what do you have to do? Here is 1, pivot is 1, that's fine. This should be 0, right? So this guy gonna be 0, meaning is, guys, look at this. You have to do 3R2 plus R3 going to R3, okay? So this one is you have, move here a little bit, 1, 0, negative 2, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, negative 2, 3, 1, 0. Last are gonna be 0, 0, 2, 7, 3, 1. Okay, another one, last one. What is the pivot here? Pivot to this one is 1, right? So your operation gonna be 1.5, R3 gonna be R3. So this one is changed 1, 0, negative 2, 0, 1, negative 2, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 3, 1, 0. That's 7 over 2, 3 over 2, 1 over 2. Okay, so what do you have to do now? Go to this one should be 0. This one should be 0, right? So you need this operation, last one. Guys, okay, 2R3 plus R1 going to R1. 2R3 plus R2 go to R2. So you have new augmented metric 1, 0, 0. Guys, right? Here is A3, 1. 0, 1, 0. Right? 10, 4, 1. Last one is 0, 0, 1. 7 over 2, 3 over 2, 1 over 2. So that's the last one, guys. So what is going to be? This is identity. This is inverse metric of A. Okay? So if you have time, check it out. A inverse A gonna be identity. You don't have to check another one, guys. Only check this one. So A inverse gonna be now, you're gonna say A3, 1, 10, 4, 1, 7 over 2, 3 over 2, 1 over 2. If you need more practice on the raw operation, keep practicing. That's the main skills, technique for the linear algebra class, guys.